Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're bringing you the blackening season that we promised in our other videos. This will be a quick and dirty video, but it gives you what you need. You'll need 9 ingredients, and most of them are in your spice staples in most households. So it shouldn't be that hard to scrounge them together. The first thing you're gonna need is paprika. So we're gonna get a tablespoon of paprika. And then we have 2.5 tablespoons of salt. So that's 2.5 tablespoons of salt. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. 2 teaspoons of granulated garlic. 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. 3/4 teaspoon of white pepper. 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme. And 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. So you'll take a fork, mix that up. Get all those ingredients mixed together. Make sure there's no clumps, lumps, and there you go. Smells good. If you want to take it a step further, you can put it in a little food processor or a spice grinder and grind it into like a flour consistency. Then you could dip those fillets or that chicken in it, and you can even fry it and it'll give it a nice crust. All done. So just sprinkle that on some redfish, sprinkle it on some chicken, sprinkle it on anything you want to. At the end of the day, it's going to give you a broad base of flavor and a little bit of heat. Hey guys, if you like what we're doing, give us a like down at the bottom. If you have any comments about blackening season or anything that you add maybe your blackening season, add that to the comments below. And hey, don't forget to subscribe. If you like what we're doing, subscribe so we can get you some more recipes in the future. Y'all have a good day, and hope to see you soon. See you next time.